Friends, hello everyone. Today we will cook juicy stewed pork with mushrooms, in sour cream sauce. I'll show you now. Prepare all the necessary products according to the list. Let's start. The recipe is very tasty. Cut the pork into small cubes. Cut the champignons into quarters. Heat the vegetable oil in a frying pan over high heat. Add the meat and, stirring, fry for 3-4 minutes, until a golden crust forms. Add the mushrooms, a pinch of salt and ground black pepper. Reduce the heat to medium and, stirring, fry the pork with mushrooms for 8-10 minutes, until the juice that the mushrooms will give evaporates. Reduce the heat to a minimum, add sour cream to the pan. Mix well. Cover the pan with a lid and simmer pork with mushrooms in sour cream sauce for 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. Turn off the heat, taste the dish and, if necessary, add more salt and black pepper to taste. Finely chop the green onions and sprinkle the finished dish before serving. And so friends, our wonderful dish is ready. Pork stewed with mushrooms in sour cream sauce can be served with fresh bread, mashed potatoes, pasta or a side dish of cereals. Enjoy your meal. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you later.